Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to remove the rear shock absorbers from the 2004 Chrysler Town & Country. This application usually applies to, I want to say 2001 to 2007, but the models do vary given the different years. So first let's check everything out. Here's your shock absorber here. Okay, so here's the top mounting bolt. And that's the bottom mounting bolt. First and foremost, what you want to do, always take proper safety measures. You want to use a jack stand. Okay, make sure the vehicle is properly supported. And then you want to support the rear axle beam, which is right here. So you want to take the weight off of that, because once you pull that shock absorber out, the beam's going to drop. So we want to make sure that's supported properly. So now that we have everything supported, first thing we're going to do, we're going to remove this top bolt up here. We're going to loosen that. It's going to be done with an 18mm socket. Looks like we're pretty loose there. Yep. And that's it right there. So you can see how the top one just came out. Okay, now we're going to go take the bottom one out. Swing it around here. So you can see this is the bottom bolt. Kind of hard with the glare, but it's right there. Looks like we're getting stuck. There is a nut on the other end that's not spinning. So I'm going to set you down and we're going to get that figured out. Okay, so what we did, I put a wrench right there. That'll hold the leverage on the nut, so the bolt will spin out. that off. You can see the nut came off, which is what we wanted. Now we just got to tap that bolt out there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my wrench, probably just take my socket and just have to knock that out. Almost there. I think what I'm going to do when I get a punch, actually I'll get a screwdriver and push that out. Okay, we got it. There it is right here. That's out, and now comes your old shock absorber. You can see it's pretty worn. Now these were MONROEs, which were great shocks. I replaced them about 8 years ago. And it's time for a new set. Okay, so that's the complete removal. Stay tuned for another video on the installation. Hope you like it, and thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.